binubulong-bulong pa rin ng mga tao. Tuloy ba yung subway? Sagot ho, oo, tuloy na tuloy, buhay na buhay. Ito talagang makikita nyo yung comfort and convenience nitong subway na to. In fact, dagdag pa totoo. Huwag nyo ako hingin ng detalye ha. Meron hong gagawin yung rail sector sa pamumuno ni Batang at ni June Magno. Meron hong gagawin yung rail sector na kung saan makikita nyo totoo na yung subway. Gagawin ho namin to sa first and second week of June, etong buwan na darating. Watch us in the next 2 weeks in June. There will be an activity that will be unveiled to show to the whole wide world that the subway is a real project. Tama ba, TJ? In the first 2 weeks of June? I don't like to preempt, but I want to keep you in suspense. As they say in the telenovela, abangan. And this is one way of saying, yes, the subway is coming. Yes, the subway is true.
At tunay po na tuloy na po ang Metro Manila Subway Project dahil sa ang mga pinakaimportanteng mga sangkap ay nakalatag na. Indeed, the first subway in Metro Manila is fast becoming a reality because all necessary major ingredients are now in place. Ingredient number 1, investment approval is already in place. Last September 2017 and September 2021, the 488.48 billion Metro Manila Subway Project received investment approval from the NEDO board, chaired by no less than President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ingredient number 2, financing is already in place. Last March 2018 and February 2022, the first 2 tranches of Official Development Assistance, or ODA loans for the subway were signed with the Japan International Cooperation Agency with highly concessional terms of 0.1% interest per annum and 40 years to pay. With a 12 years grace period, Filipino taxpayers will not start paying back for the loan principal until 2030, or years after the subway is already fully operational. Ingredient number 3, most contractors are already in place. Last November 2018, the contract for our general consultant was signed. Last February 2019, the contract for the partial operability sections contractor was signed. Last December 2020, the contract for the subway's 240 train cars was signed. Last December 2021, the contract for the subway's electromechanical systems was signed. And today, we will sign the 5th out of the 10 major contracts for the Metro Manila Subway Project. Finally, ingredient number 4, right-of-way, is also already mostly in place, as we will witness in the second part of the program today. The subway's contract package 104 is part of the DOTR's aggressive and accelerated push to expand the country's railway network at record scale and at record speed. With the DOTR, under the leadership of Secretary Tugade, having put in place the necessary ingredients of NEDA board investment approval having been obtained, plus JICA ODA financing having been secured, plus 5 out of 10 major contracts already awarded, plus most of right-of-way already delivered, the promise of the Duterte administration's Build, Build, Build program to usher in the Philippines' golden age of infrastructure to deliver a more comfortable life for every Filipino is now turning from dream to reality.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, Oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes my dynasty.